There's Lincoln getting the ball. Oh, who's that guy walking? Who's that guy? He's walking the... Oh, he's down. Oh, he's throwing the ball. Lincoln, it's not crawl ball anymore, buddy. Okay, you're going to have to get up. You got the ball. Yeah. Oh. Oh. You got the ball. You got the ball. Oh, did he get it? Yeah, he got the ball. You guys have to share. You have to share. Get it. It is good old-fashioned crawl ball. Murph? What's this? What is this? What is it? Baduk! Ooh! What is it? Lincoln, what's the ball? Colin, can Lincoln have the ball for a little bit? Yes. Someday I'll show you how mean you are to your brother. Yeah. Alright, yeah, you're gonna get it. It's tackle time! There's no crying in crawl ball. Ready, set, go! Go get it. Go get it. Yes, it's crawl ball. Yes. Badooks. It's an intense game of crawl ball. Yes. What are you doing? Oh, get up. Get up. What are you doing? Almost. Oh yeah. Yep. There we go. Yep. Oh, it's Lincoln. Lincoln switched in the ball for a lamb. That is not too shocking. Little gentle one. Colin, where's the ball? Colin, where's the ball? Well, you even gotta take the lamb away, huh? You even gotta take the lamb. Lincoln was playing with that. Can you give it back to him? Yeah. Oh, or was it a distraction? Maybe it was a distraction. What do you have? What do you have? Did you get the ball? That's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma, Grandpas. Hi, say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. You think the lamb can fit in there? Do you? Oh, your favorite book of your family. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Colin, say bye-bye.